Center. So today we are very excited that all of you have taken out time to come here, and this is a very big milestone or next milestone that we have achieved, that is bringing the next version of Roar Easy Sigma. And as our promise to our customer to always bringing better experience, improving the experience and having always something new for the consumer, we are coming with that promise, and that is where this Roar Easy Sigma stands. A lot of hard work, R&D, as you know that Olympic stands for. We are a R&D driven organization. First our journey started that let's get the basics right. And what is the basics? The basic is first get the bike acceleration, the technology, the battery technology, safety, the driving experience, sturdiness of the bike. That is the basics. So that was our first motto, that first we get the basics right, and now we go to next level, getting the technology, so-called TFT color display, which we have experienced, kind of for our customer experience we have introduced. So that's the next level that we are getting into. As you have seen that EVs are coming as a connected vehicle. A lot of interaction with the consumer is having with the bike, right? And real-time interaction. And that is what we are introducing this through our own Obins TFT color display, which is also loaded with a lot of features, smart features, turn-by-turn navigation. There is a lot of interactive on real-time interaction that the consumer is having. Alerts are there, call alerts, music alerts and all. So it makes a lot of fun for the consumer that my bike is high-tech, right? So that is what we are introducing by bringing this color display. Definitely the other aspect is on the new color that we have introduced, red, which has been very overwhelming response that we are getting on this, the red color. And just to give you a little understanding that when you even have color, choose a color for your bike, or there's a lot of R&D that goes behind this. This is a very interesting concept. Many must be not knowing that it is not the just that you pick a palette, right? It is a lot of R&D which goes into even choosing and making a new color, because color is a very paint, as you say, is a very important aspect of any bike, not just any automobile, right? Because it has to stay for, especially for personal mobility. So it has to stay for long, 7, 8, 10 years. And that gives that look and feel of the bike or car or any automobile, right? So there is a lot of R&D which is done so that this paint, this color we have achieved. Any of our colors if you see, but we have introduced red this time. So that is also, we are very excited about this, and there is a very good response around that. And then definitely there is a reverse mode, which also in EVs are very prevalent, which makes it more easy and convenient for the consumers to ride. And as you see, this Roar Easy Sigma more stands for being a bold, tech-heavy kind of high-tech product. That's what we have introduced. And as you will see as we move forward, also we will be bringing similar, better experience for consumers while driving, and you will see more of us doing a lot of action with the bike, where there will be a lot of new features and technology introduced in the bike. And right now with this new launch, we are looking forward to expanding our distribution. This year we will see that we will end the year with 100 plus stores pan-India, and right now we are at a current store level of 50 stores, very soon touching 70 and then 100 by end of the year. That is the current plan we have. As you already know that our manufacturing facility is very well equipped to kind of cater to the volumes that we are planning for this year. We are like having a 1 lakh kind of a capacity currently installed, which is in Jigme, Bangalore. And there are many other models which is going to come, which we will keep you posted. That many more action in women's side. A lot of R&D we are doing. There are different R&D in the battery side, as already we are the pioneer in LFP battery chemistry. We are the only player who has cracked this.